Hello, hi friends, how are you all? I'm preparing today tomato curry. Let's start now. Taking 1.5 onion and 3 tomatoes. Take a non-stick bowl and add 4-5 tablespoon oil. Now I'm adding methi and jeera, raya, fenugreek seeds. After sizzling, add onion. Now add some curry leaves. Now I'm adding chili, 2 chili. Now adding half tablespoon salt. Slightly mix it. Now I'm adding tomatoes. Now I'm adding turmeric, half tablespoon. Now I'm adding half tablespoon chili powder, red chili powder. Mix nicely. Let it cook 15 minutes. Don't close the lid. Mix every 2 minutes. Cook in low flame. After 15 minutes, oil is overflowing. Tomato is nicely cooked. Slightly press the tomatoes, very slightly. Now cook 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, close the lid now. After 5 minutes, look at the steam. Now I'm adding coriander powder, 1 spoon. Now oil is overflowing. Curry is ready.